Hello and welcome back. Okay, so what we're trying to do over here is again solve a system of equation using the elimination method. Okay, so let's actually bring our example up. So this is, let's say we're given the following example: 2x plus y is equal to 4, x plus 2y is equal to 1 and 1. So first and second equation, again system of equation. We want to find the solution and we're going to be using the elimination method. So in this case, we just can't simply just add the thing and we can like magically one of the thing disappears. In this case, we have to make the thing disappear. So let's actually say that we the thing that we want to get rid of is x in this case. Okay, so let's actually say we want to eliminate the x. So the thing that we can do is, because we're trying to remember that what we're trying to do is add the x's together. Okay, so the only way the x's can eliminate each other while they're being added is if the first is positive and the other is negative and they have the same magnitude, right? So what we are going to do is multiply the bottom equation with -2. Again, why 2? Because the upper equation has a 2x. Okay, so we want the bottom x to be 2. And why negative? Because it's the opposite of what we have on the upper side. Okay, so let's actually do that. On the first side, we get -2x. Okay, because it's just -2 times 1. Over here we can get like -2 times 2 is positive 2 is just equal to -4. Okay, on this side, -2 times positive 1 is equal to -2. And over here, now we're trying to add. Okay, now we're doing the normal addition. So 2 -2 gives us 0, and over here a normal 1 added to a -4 gives us a -3, and a 4 -2 gives us a 2, a positive 2. So what we're actually left with is -3y is equal to 2. And again, because we're trying to find y, we want to get rid of the -3, which is right besides the y. So we can divide both sides with -3. We do that and get rid of the -3 on the left hand side, and on the right hand side we are left with -2/3. So we have found our y in this case, and you may prefer this method or you may prefer the substitution method. Again, it all depends on you, even though I actually prefer the substitution method, but don't use. But the reason, again, I know I repeat this a lot, but again, the reason why I like the substitution method is because it is consistent. In this elimination method, now you can actually see we need to do a lot more work, and hence a lot more time was spent in trying to solve. Like we are done like with the half of the equation, right? Half of the solution is done. So we have half of the solution. So it took more time than we previously like what we were trying to do previously, right? So again, it doesn't have a consistent time in this case. So that is why I prefer the substitution method. But again, you can. All of the techniques have their pros and their cons, so you can use the method that you prefer, that is actually important. So let's actually again solve the equation. that was the first thing that we actually want here to do. So let's actually put the value of y into the second equation. So we do that. So again, we have put the value of the actual value of y, -2/3, into the second equation. Okay, so now let's actually try to solve this thing. Okay, so 2 times 2 is equal to 4, and a positive and a negative gives us a negative. So -4/3 is what we're left with. So x -4/3 is equal to 1. Again, we want to find the value of x, so we need to get rid of the -4/3. So add 4/3 on both sides. So we do that, and on the left hand side we can get rid of that. And on the right hand side, 1 added to 4/3 is equal to 7/3. So we have found our x, and we have already found our y. So we have found the solution to this actual equation, right? System of equation. So again, you can choose the method that you want, and just try to have a feel for what the thing is. In this case, some of the time it is really easy to do the entire to find the solution by just doing the some normal addition. But sometimes it's really hard, so you need to find that out for yourself. And that is all from my side. Thank you for watching, and I really hope you learned something.